to your View Trending News update from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Do I look like Yahaya Bello? Sowore challenges security agent in court. EFCC operatives guard Abuja court as Yahaya Bello's trial resumes. Aiyedatiwa sworn in as Ondo State Governor. Now the news in detail. Former presidential candidate of the African Action Congress (AAC), Omoyele Sowore, has confronted officials of the Nigerian Police Force and the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission for preventing him from entering the premises of the Federal High Court. Sowore told the officers that it was not former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello, who has an ongoing case with the Commission over an alleged financial misappropriation. The ex-AAC presidential candidate, who is also a human rights activist, resisted every officer's attempt to obstruct him. In a video posted on his ex-handle formerly known as Twitter, Sowore claimed the Nigerian justice system had been hijacked by uniformed security agents, including the Department of State Security Services (DSS), police, and civil defense. He alleged that they had illegally taken over the court premises because they had brought a thief, whom he addressed as Yahaya Bello, to court. He further criticized the authorities for failing to arrest Yahaya Bello when he was declared wanted, only managing to detain him after the former governor reported himself to the EFCC office in Abuja. Speaking in the video, Sowore said,
Hey, who are you shouting? Who is that? Do I look like Yahaya Bello to you? I beg, go and sit down. Go and sit down. Go on. Hey, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
Good day, sir.
Yes.
I'm a police officer. Please
So what?
Come out.
I'm not coming out.
Who are you? Can I know if
I have a business in court.
Okay, please.
No, I'm not coming out. I'm not coming out. You can't clear me. You are not an officer of the court.
In the same vein, operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) have manned the Federal High Court in Abuja as the trial of former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello on alleged fraud charges resumed on Monday. The operatives were wielding various brands of guns and blocked one of the major roads leading to the court complex with one of their vehicles. Apart from guns, dogs and other weapons have been fully deployed at the court entrance by security men. As of the time of this report, lawyers who felt uncomfortable with the intimidating presence of the EFCC operatives, especially being subjected to unnecessary checks, were murmuring aloud, wondering what prompted the takeover of the court. Recall that the Federal High Court in Abuja had on Friday, December 13, 2024, granted Bello bail in the sum of 500 million naira with two sureties in like sum. This was after the former governor pleaded not guilty to 19-count charges brought against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). It's worth noting that is facing an alleged money laundering trial involving 80.2 billion naira, but has pleaded not guilty to all the charges. And lastly for tonight, Lucky Aiyedatiwa has been inaugurated as the governor of Ondo State, commencing his first full fourth term following the death of Governor Rotimi Akeredolu in December 2023. The swearing-in ceremony took place on Monday at the Ondo State Sports Complex in Akure, the state capital, 2 months after Aiyedatiwa won the governorship election under the banner of the All Progressive Congress (APC). According to details on the state government website, Aiyedatiwa's political career began in 2011 with the Action Congress of Nigeria (ACN), which later merged into the APC. He served as a federal commissioner representing Ondo State on the board of the Niger Delta Development Commission from 2018 to 2019. In 2020, he was elected as deputy governor alongside Governor Akeredolu and assumed office as governor following Akeredolu's passing on December 27, 2023, at the age of 67 after a prolonged battle with prostate cancer. However, his death led to Aiyedatiwa's succession as governor. And that ends the news tonight. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.